Hello! Welcome at another video on my channel. Today I will swap my 3D printer's stock motherboard to a silent one and show you differences between them. For a new one I choose the BIGTREETECH SKR M Mini. So, let's go! I've just received the package from an AliExpress store when I bought it for just like $25 on 100 zł, and I think it's a good price for this stuff. Inside this small box you have a business card, small yellow duck, radiators, cable and of course your motherboard. I have just to take it out and now I can connect it directly to my printer. First, I have to unplug the power supply and unscrew 6 screws. And just after it, I have access to my Creality Ender's free motherboard. It's pretty easy to swap it for the new one, because it has the same size and the same ports like the original one. All I have to do is just to unplug the wires and put them into right slots. And let's test if it works. As you can see, everything is okay, so I will close the box with new board now. And now is the time to test how the printer sounds like with new step motor drivers. As you can see, the difference is huge. I hope you enjoyed the video, subscribe my channel and check the description below for my Patreon. See ya!